Welcome, my name is Marcin Buchali and I am PhD student at the University of Łódź in Poland. Daily, I work as a girls volleyball coach in a junior club. I have the title of a coach of the Polish Volleyball Federation. My doctoral dissertation concerns the role of competency profile and the intermediary role of employee participation in the effectiveness of work of a sports coach and instructor. In my dissertation, I would like to set three main goals. There is a relationship between emotional intelligence and the effectiveness of work of a sports coach and instructor. There is a relationship between personal and professional competence and the effectiveness of work of a sports coach and instructor, and employee participation plays the intermediary role between emotional intelligence, personal and professional competence, and the effectiveness of work of a sports coach and instructor. The independent variables in my doctoral dissertation are emotional intelligence, professional and personal competency, including coaching behavior and level of leadership, and social, political, and demographic factors such as sex, age, education, work experience, and having a child. Based on the pertinent literature, all these variables form the competency profile of a sports coach and instructor. A coach in a junior sports club has many roles to play. He or she is not only a trainer, but also a psychologist, a teacher, and often a friend. In many cases, coaches and instructors are also the sports officials in the clubs where they work. They are involved in the management process or participate in the club's management where they oversee the development and finances of the club. With this in mind, I adopted employee participation as the mediating variable in my doctoral dissertation, referring to 8 levels of participation presented by Ted Mayer. The effectiveness of work of a sports coach and instructor is the dependent variable in the doctoral dissertation. Referring to the literature on the subject, the author argues that the effectiveness of work of a sports coach and instructor is his or her sports result and the amount of work, time devoted to achieving this result. However, it should be remembered that the main purpose of the profession is to provide training. Thus, it is also reflected by the number of players appointed to the regional or national team. When constructing the research model, the author referred to the statements included in the justification for the choice of the subject of the doctoral dissertation. From the point of view of the author's research, the consideration concerning the participation of the competency profile of a sports coach and instructor and the mediating role of employee participation in the building the effectiveness of his or her work as a part of the process of the human resources management in Polish sports clubs are particularly important. Based on the literature review and the research, the author proposed his own research model. The time range adopted by the author will be the season 2019-2020 of the Polish Volleyball Federation Games, while the research group will consist of volleyball coaches and instructors who work in Polish junior clubs and junior athletes. The level of emotional intelligence will be examined using the emotional intelligence questionnaire. The indicator will be the average severity of a specific group of abilities. The level of personal and professional competence will be examined using the coaching behavior scale in sport, where the indicator will be the average severity of a specific group of coaching behaviors calculated by summing up the points of each coaching behavior scale, and the leadership scale in sports, where the indicator will be the average severity of a specific group of coaching behaviors calculated by summing up the points of each leadership scale in sports. Data on social, political, and demographic factors will be taken from the respondents' particulars. The level of employee participation will be examined using the questionnaire for the assessment of the level of direct participation. Ted Mayer's level of employee participation will serve as the indicator. The effectiveness of work of a sport coach and instructor will be examined by means of desk research. My research work will be continued. Meanwhile, thank you very much for your attention. Please contact me on my email if you have any questions. I would also appreciate some feedback. Thank you very much.